Bonjour, I'm Antoine. Today on interview, Jackie Frank, VP Mortgage Lender for Guaranteed Rates. Let's meet her.
A long time.
Oh my goodness, I can't even imagine.
Yeah.
And who's this movie?
This is Jagger.
Jagger?
Yes.
How are you? Can I hold him?
Yes, you can.
Yes.
Well,
Ooh,
he
okay.
says no.
He said no.
He's in
Sorry,
charge.
Jagger. Sorry.
All right.
So, tell us who you are. Where you're
Okay.
from.
Yep.
What's his full name? Is that his full name,
His
Jagger?
full name
or-
is Jagger. He came
Okay.
from a rescue, Give Me Shelter animal shelter.
Uh-huh. Et voilà.
And there you go. And we have our little Mick Jagger.
How about you?
Yeah.
Tell me.
So
Tell us.
I came from a shelter as well in Rockaway Beach. My brother would say we did. Those parents.
Your mom's gonna kill you.
Yes, my mother's gonna kill me, but God bless her. So yeah, we grew up on the beach, and it's actually on the tip of Long Island. It's in Queens, Rockaway Beach, and
Yeah, been there.
yeah, right, Reese Park. So actually, I recently went to visit, and I grew up there my whole life, and then went to college in Washington, and came back to New York, and I've lived really on the Upper West Side.
For as
since
long as
then.
you know.
For as long as I know. I'm going to say it's a couple of decades.
Yeah, okay, that's
here we are,
fine.
and I can literally see my building from here, yeah.
So, you're a mortgage lender,
Yeah.
okay? Why did you go into that industry?
It was not planned. It was one of those things. I'm not going to tell you that I, went to college and studied mortgage. You know what I studied in college. Wine and cheese, right? So, I know I graduated really there was real estate in my family. My dad's an architect.
Okay.
My mom's a real estate broker. But not with any great, mission did I say, let me find a career. It actually found me.
Yeah.
One summer I was in between just kind of figuring out what I wanted to do, and you've been to Fire Island?
Yes.
Yes. So I was a land baron in Fire Island, and I rented out. First summer I paid someone else to go to have one bed every other weekend sharing a room, right? And then I did the math, and I said, 12 people at $1,600 each, that guy's making a lot of money doing this, so next summer I'm going to do that. So I became the landlord, and I rented 2 houses, and you do the math, and all of a sudden
wow.
I'm like, look at this. And then literally it was just serendipitous that a friend was starting a mortgage company, and I was looking for an opportunity, and they said, we'll train you, and literally just threw me into this and said, this is how you do it.
I always wonder, what traits of character, this job pushed you either to have, or something that you had, but was a little bit in the background, and then you said, to really perform, I gotta push this part of me inside, front and center.
Right, I like that question. And again, I started when I was relatively young, so it's interesting to see what traits that I already have that this business pulled out. For sure is relentless. You have to be relentless. You have to be singularly focused on the end goal, which is getting this client their home. And we bump into an infinite amount of obstacles along the way. Some of the little ones, right, last minute insurance situations, things like that, and then some really big ones.
Like what?
Oh, listen,
Just anything in mind?
even if it's something unknown by the client, that they didn't even realize it's something that they did let's take COVID, for example. Many of my clients, self-employed people, stopped their business just stopped.
That's right, yeah.
Right? One of my favorite clients, and we're still working on it, she owns a dance studio. Do you know what happened in March? No dancing.
Yeah, no dancing.
And she was in contract with her dream home, and at that point we had to say, we can't lend you money till you're dancing again.
Yes, exactly.
Till business is open and money is going back in that account. Well, then there was virtual dancing. And so the relentless, never gave up. Still to this point, we have now finally cleared a close.
Yeah.
I'm going to her Thanksgiving dinner where we speak every day. I know her for a year. So there's no give up. There's no give up. So I think that was in me that this business really pulled out. There's definitely a multitasking thing.
Yes.
Yes, because I can, right now, you don't even know, I'm at a closing.
Yes.
At the same time I'm talking to you.
Okay.
I can multitask.
Jackie, is that easier to deal with a second, third-time buyer versus a first-time buyer, or is that like a toss? You know, it's the same for you?
Right. It's interesting. It's a first-time home buyer has a lot of wonderful things, which is the excitement and the unknown, right? They don't know, but on the other hand, a lot of questions, a lot of questions. And truthfully, I enjoy that because I remember when I was a first-time home buyer. Right? Sometimes it's the second and third-time buyers who bought so long ago before the rules changed that are actually more difficult because they're like, I remember when I got my mortgage, they didn't ask for all of this. And I'm like,
when was that?
Yeah,
75.
Exactly, right? And so sometimes I have a nice laugh with that, and we kind of joke around about it. So both come with challenges, and both come with, you know, I just love talking to different people. That's the thing. I speak to so many different people that if everybody was just a first time or everybody was just a investor, so it's nice to be able to have difference. But it all comes with some challenges and some really good stuff.
Yeah. So you're now a VP. So you have a team.
I do.
And how does that feel to pass along the knowledge to your, you know, to the people you know that just coming into this business?
Yeah, I have to say it's so much different than I expected. It just happened this past year that I said, you know what, I want to expand what I'm doing, not even for the financial part of it.
Yeah.
And someone reached out to me who wanted to go in the business, and I said, okay, let's do this. And he has helped me get so reinvigorated and excited about something. It's a long time, 25 years, anything can get old, right? And I gotta tell you, I smile now all the time. We just came from a conference call, he had some new clients on, and he's really into it, and all of a sudden,
all pumped up.
Yeah, and I'm looking at the Zoom and I'm going, oh my God, she's smiling. Yeah, I have to say, best thing I ever did. I have 2 new trainees and 1 more on the way.
That's fantastic.
Yeah, it's actually been great for me.
That's great. Okay, my last question. That's a tough one.
All right.
So, what if you were a tool, a financial tool, or an object to perform or to bring, you know, what you know to new heights? What would you be?
Probably a hammer. I mean, a hammer always comes to my head. I mean, you really have to be.
You'll be a hammer.
Yeah. I mean, that's.
So you can nail it.
Yeah. I mean, it is kind of every day. That's what we're doing.
Yeah.
Right. You put the hammer down and you're just not getting there. So I feel good about that. I've been called a hammer.
All right.
And, the truth
hammer
is,
it is.
This industry again, you either are attracted to this industry because you are that way, or the industry makes you that way. If you're really going to be successful, you have to just be a driver. I actually like the word driver better than hammer because driver feels like, you know, I'm steering as opposed to like, but a little bit of both gets you there.
You drive the hammer.
I drive the hammer. Yeah, got it.
Okay. That's it, folks. That was Jackie Frank, VP Mortgage Lender at Guaranteed Rates. So remember, if you need a loan, don't call the bank. Call Jackie Frank. Thank you very much for watching. So please comment, share, like, subscribe. We need your help. And in the meantime, it's selfie time. All right. You ready?
All right. I'm ready.
All right.
He's ready. Jagger takes a good selfie. Woohoo!
Oh my God, he's great. Look at that. Look at this one.
Right?
Yeah.